ACHR Stock Analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question? Covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Especially looking at ACHR Aviation, a $10.70 level. I'm looking to just take advantage of this. The only way that I'll do so is if I see a certain shift, in a double break. I have like 9 results setting here, and I've got my double break. The only thing that I'll care about is a proper double break here on the lower time frame. Yet again, like the price by no chance means, obviously by no means this shouldn't be going beneath 1035 from the swing approach, which I'll still keep. But even on the lower time frame, nothing's stopping me from trying out the waters with this long side if there is a double break. That's the way that I'm looking at this thing. And I had previous, like very decent amount of previous receipts here. So if you want to learn the sauce, it's taken me 5 years to learn, you learn it in freaking 1 to a few hours. Click the first link in the description, get the resources and the sauce that is expiring soon. Risk free, first link in the description, 1,200 people have gotten it.